Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Mahindra EV Fashion Festival. May I please call upon Anish to come up on stage and start the evening.
We're off to the races with the XUV 400. 15,000 bookings in just 13 days. And we're going to come up with not one, not two, but 5 Born electric SUVs. We're going to take this space by storm. And as you well know, we were one of the pioneers of Formula E. We're so glad to see it in India now. So join me for an amazing evening. Have fun.
You know, when we first conceived or conceptualized this truly one-of-one product, and we were thinking of how to make it special, you know, I think the sort of creative collaboration of these two worlds of automotive design and fashion coming together was really special.
It was actually very fulfilling, the creative process of working with Pratap, and I firmly believe that when creative minds from different fields come together, magic can happen. And I think today, this evening is about one such magic, and I do truly hope that we can create more such magical moments together.
Could we make some noise?
I know you like to get your cars dirty, but what do you think of this special Rim Zim Dadu Dazzle Blue that we created?
Well, this is something that I wouldn't want to get dirty because it's really good looking. I really love the paint. It's definitely very special, for sure.
I think what's amazing about your work is that it complements the silhouette of the human form. And that is synergetic with what you've done with the detailing and the ergonomic seats as well. I mean, just the way your fabric flows and sort of contours the form is pretty much what it's doing in the car as well.
Well, the XUV 400 Special Edition was put up for auction in November, following its showcase at the Tech Fashion Show that same month. Bidding began on the 26th of January, and the entire process was conducted by Ernst & Young for transparency and rigor in execution. And the winning bid was 1,75,000. Well, we do have a winner. For that, may I please invite Mr. Anand Mahindra to come up on stage and do the honors. The winner is Mr. Karunakar Reddy Kundavaram. Well, Mr. Kundavaram is in the software industry for the last 25 years in the US. He believes in humanity and wants to make the world a better place to live in and does charity regularly. Well, he's donating this to Isha Foundation, and this opportunity helps him achieve 2 elements of contributing for humanity and planet by buying an EV. Well, Mahindra will match Mr. Karunakar's bid and distribute proceedings to support the winners of the Mahindra Rice Sustainability Champions Award or to a non-profit. Congratulations and thank you very much. Our first collaboration today between electrifying Twin Peaks and Bodice. This collaboration represents the sophisticated, futuristic, and innovative Copper Twin Peak brand, a brand for those who have the passion to live beyond boundaries while making a difference in their lives. And Bodice by Ruchika Sachdeva, an award-winning designer who combines Indian craftsmanship with minimalistic and androgynous designs to become the voice of a generation of women who seek sustainable fabrics and pared-down shapes.
So the InGlow architecture, as we call it, is not only the mechanical platform, it's also the digital heart. And this is the difference between InGlow and everything else you see. The difference between an ICE conversion and a Born electric is that the batteries are on the floor. And you have the maximum space, therefore, for batteries. So we can do 80 kilowatts and 60 kilowatts in this architecture. Can we have the XUV E9, please?
What do you think about the silhouette of this?
I think it's very sexy and very sensuous.
Just like you, isn't it? Do you
Just
guys
like
agree?
us.
Presenting to you, Cute Circuit. May I now have Rajesh on the stage to say the vote of thanks?
You heard us talk about race to road, but we are an off-road company. So we have to move from race to road to off-road. So we've taken BO5. In fact, Pratap and his team have done an amazing new creation. We've taken BO5 and customized and adapted it for what you'll see as a concept vehicle. We call it Rally. It's inspirational. It's about off-roading, the spirit of Mahindra.
Very happy to be a part of this event where we are promoting to adopt sustainable mobility. I'm fascinated by cars. I am a big fan of new technology and cars, especially when it comes to cars. And been a huge admirer of Mahindra. Wonderful, wonderful car. I think it's slick, beautiful, sturdy, strong. Everything that India represents. And that's what's amazing about Mahindra and all of its cars. And yes, also my heartiest congratulations to the entire team of the Mahindra Electric Group for their participation in India's first Formula E race. I also saw the M9 Electra, if I'm not mistaking the name. Yes, M9 Electra, which got launched yesterday. And I happened to see it on the internet and I was like, wow, this is wonderful. So I'm just very happy and thrilled to be a part of this event. And just happy to be standing next to this hero over here.